Who won't dance for such beautiful clothes? Welcome to Pakistan. Here we are proud to be the 7th largest manufacturers of textiles. We are a vibrant, modern industry in a growing economy. Our men, machines and globally integrated management systems make us winner. The best denim in the whole global village is ours. Our exports are second to none. Hundreds of celebrated brands carry the label Made in Pakistan. The chairman of all Pakistan Textile Mills Association is happy on our achievements.
Aptoma represents spinning, value-add and value-add industry in Pakistan, and we have one of the most modern technologies in the world. And we make the best quality products starting from yarn, towels, bed sheets and garments. The machines we have are imported from Europe and Japan, and they are one of the best machinery in the world. Our management is also very much developed, and we have the systems which we can say is one of the best in the world. And with these systems, our industry is progressing very well. We have very good universities in Pakistan where we are getting very qualified labor force and technical people. And we will be going, inshallah, going forward in a very good direction in future. We are competing with other countries of the world like China or India, and I hope that we will be able to do better than these two countries, as our labor force is also very competitive, but we need to improve their production.
Our textile industry draws strength for a rich land and natural resource base. With 11.5 million bales every year, Pakistan is the 4th biggest producer of raw cotton in the world. Our people are hardworking and our traditions are rooted in history. The textile sector proudly provides 38% jobs in the country. An industrial capacity of 9.6 million spindles is our spinning mills gives us the business edge. Economies of our scale allow exciting vertical integration in many of our mills. We offer quality and price attractions. Pakistan is the place for textile buyers and investors. We have evolved into a global player with industrial capacity. But our traditions are very much alive. We protect and promote our textile heritage. Pakistan is keen to share with the world the rarest distinctions of our handmaids. The textile sector is keeping pace with changing times, and industrial evolution in handmaids is on its way. We have unique fabrics, traditional motifs, and modern management systems. Our traditional craftsmen and women are the real secret of our mutual success. The business potential inherent in textiles made in Pakistan is limited by imagination alone. We do have an evolving fashion business in Pakistan. After all, our local market is a growing one with 180 million consumers. Exciting opportunities await investors in Pakistan. We need markets. You need materials. Let's sit down and talk business as professional in the global textile sector. Just listen to what celebrated fashion writer and critic Mohsin Saeed is telling you from Karachi.
The world knows about it that Pakistan produces some of the best textiles. Cotton textiles is perhaps the finest and the finest thread count we produce, and it is exported as well for home tex, for fashion garments. Pakistan actually manufactures a number of international brands which are exclusively exported. We do have a lot of big textile companies, labels, and everyone knows about them. And those textile producers produce these exclusively export material textiles. There are a couple of things which make Pakistan a very unique textile producing country. For instance, our handloom. Handloom is just beautiful in Pakistan. It's supreme. It is of supreme quality and design. It is available in contemporary designs and are in great demand. If the lawn is invested heavily in, Pakistani lawn can take over the world every summer.
Pakistan is open for business.